We just got back from Cars and Coffee, and we're working on the little S10 here. And we've always had a leak in this left rear tire. And these tires are fairly new, about 2 years old. Michelin's ain't got no miles on though. But they're Michelin's, and it's had a leak. So me and my son got out here and decided to figure out where the leak was. I mean, it's a slow leak, but nonetheless, it's a leak and the tire will go flat. How long does it take to go flat? A couple days?
No, about a day or two.
About a day or two it's flat, so a couple days.
Well, not exactly flat, but I mean, it gets about to like 11 PSI.
Look at it. Sizzling.
Yeah, so right here, if y'all can see this. So we couldn't figure out what was leaking because there was no, we checked the tire for nails when it was, you know, the truck obviously, but you couldn't check the bead around the tire on the rim with it on the truck, so we had to take it off of the truck, and we set it flat here. And y'all look at this. So I guess it's a good DIY thing if you want to figure out, you know, if your tires have no nails, no obvious holes, no obvious cuts, not even the valve stem, you take it some soapy water, like I got right here. I got a bottle of soapy water here, and just start spraying it around the rim there. Go all the way around the bead, and if it's leaking in the bead somewhere, you'll eventually figure it out. And that's exactly what this is doing right here. And we marked it, and I think I've already took the mark off. Where was it? Right there. Check it out. Right there. Right there. See it bubbling? Ever so slightly. So that's it right there. Got a leak in the bead. So we're going to take it back to Discount Tire and get them to show it to them and ask them if they've ever seen that before, and I'm sure they have, and see what kind of solution they got for it. Could be the tire, I don't know. Could be the Michelin, who knows? I doubt it's the rim. But we're going to find out. Let's see how this turns out. Let's go see what their solution to the leaky bead is. Alright guys, so we just got back from the tire place, and as you can see here, we have one S10 rim and one S10 Michelin tire right here, which the leaky situation, we were told, is not a warranty item. And their excuse for it is the rim is, what did he say, corroded?
No, he wasn't even like it's corroded. He's just like it's a bad rim.
Well, no, he did say it was corroded. He said corrosion.
I'm not gonna say it's not corroded, but then he just didn't want to do it.
So I guess this rim's corroded. What do y'all think? Looks corroded on it. So they were like, you know, giving me a business card to a rim repair guy and all this and that stuff. And I said, look, well, my son actually said, just unmount the tire and we'll deal with it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to deal with it. And I don't know, see if we can clean the rim, and we're going to try to put the tire back on it ourselves and see if we can get the bead to seat and see if it stops the leak.
Mitch's Automotive Repair coming right up.
DIY Mitch. Yeah. Wish us luck. There's
a yellow, like very faint yellow Sharpie, and it's like right here.
All right, we'll start there. I mean, literally the whole thing is,
I'm gonna say it's not corroded, but I don't want them, you know, touching it.
well, no, I don't want them to, you know, like say, oh no, you know, it's,
Oh, the rim is so bad we can't fix it. You're gonna have to, you know, buy another rim through us.
you need to come over here on this side. It'll probably be a better situation.
No, I got that from that guy. He was definitely gonna say like, oh well, we tried to clean it, but it's too bad actually, and we can't, you know.
Whatever.
Get you some water and.
Well, you know, the funny thing is, I don't think this is corrosion. I think this is simply it's an aluminum rim. Does they corrode? No. This is where we put all that stuff in it to try and stop the leaks from all the other times, you know.
Well, yeah, there's dirt in there, 100%. I mean, like that's
It's not corrosion though.
it's rubbing off.
Yeah, it's gonna be as clean as it can be.
What was he saying about? I mean, yeah. I mean, you're gonna have.
Look at that.
It's gonna corrode, but like
You want a brush?
the physical. No. He said
No, I need
that.
I need to clean it with. I got a couple rags over here, just old rags.
Yeah, all that like yellow stuff. It just made that like dirt and stuff stick to it.
Huh?
Dawn?
No, not on no soap yet. I need to work on this a little bit.
There's no
Cleaned
strip
it.
on this one.
I'll just clean a little bit as I go.
I mean, it already looks better. Just literally having
Yeah,
a
look
cloth.
at it.
Corrosion on aluminum.
Yeah.
I mean, it is kind of corroded, but not really. Use sandpaper.
Uh oh, you're gonna inflame the tire masters here.
Oh God, yeah. Totally.
All this rim has to do is just hold
Hold
air.
air.
That's all it has to do.
Scotch-Brite was doing the best, I think.
Yeah.
Scotch pad.
All it's got to do is just hold air. It doesn't need to look pretty. It's just got to hold air and keep air. That's all it's got to do.
I'm gonna go get the nail. Can you wash it off?
Honey, they're gonna go with you. You're going to put them in the house. You know that's a bad idea, right? Yeah, look at all that stuff went around here. It just caked on here. All that stop leak in there. That's probably not a bad idea to put stop leak in a tire.
Yeah, well, it didn't go anywhere near like the spot that it was supposed to. Dang.
800. So now we're going to just go ahead and get the, corroded aluminum out of this. How old is this rim? 30 years old? 2003.
21 years old.
Yeah, we're going to just go ahead.
The things you're not supposed to do to a rim.
We're gonna-
Honestly, all it needs to do is just hold air.
We're just going to go ahead and take care of this corrosion with some 800 grit sandpaper.
If
the
you
really
have
fine
a
stuff.
problem with it,
We're good.
just don't say anything.
No, we're good, bro. It's going to be smooth as silk when I get done. Trust me. DIY Mitch's rim repair service. At your service. You know, it was more corroded down here than it was over there where it was leaking.
It held it better. It just molded to the tire.
I want to see how dirty the daggone tire is too. We ain't even got that part yet on the bead. Yeah. Gotta look at that. Perfect. It's smooth, bro. Gonna get the inside of it too. All we're doing is knocking it down. We're not taking it off, see? We're just knocking it down. Seriously. Just knocking it down. We're not taking no aluminum off. We're just knocking it down. Take that, Discount Tire. You see this right here? I'll fix my 21-year-old rim you didn't want to go look at. About time they need to start serving the community. It ain't all about profit. It's about serving the community. It's called passion with a purpose. This is like purpose-driven content. See? Fix your own rim. If they tell you it can't be fixed, just go fix it yourself. The funny thing was, where it was leaking here, it was not that bad at all.
Ma, can you not do that right now?
For just a minute.
Oh my god.